We know that you can't wait to get your hands on all these tools the conversion pros offer, but what if you could get them for free? What if I told you not only can you get them for free, but you can make a lucrative monthly residual income? Here is all you have to do. Show people the tools. They will practically beg you for them anyway, because it will make their current business take off like a rocket ship. We will then split the profits with you and give you 50% on every sale. So on a $50 sale, you keep $25 of it. It doesn't get more fair than that. So if you get 2 sales, you made $50, so yours is now free. But let's do a few more examples. Let's say you referred 10 people. That would earn you $250 per month. If you referred 50 people, you would earn $1,250 per month. If you referred 100 people, you would earn $2,500 per month. If you referred 400 people, you would earn $10,000 per month on active members. The sky is the limit. Ask yourself this: who doesn't need more leads and a better way to convert them? Because this system is generic, it works with any business or product and can be used worldwide. Soon as you sign up, not only do you get to use the tools, but you will get a referral link immediately. We pay out commissions to you every single week. So get started today. Today!